Hi, welcome back to the fastest book club out there with book recommendations in under 60 seconds. I'm Volker Hack and this episode is about the new book from Michael Bungay Stanier called How to Work with Almost Anyone. Are you leaving your work relationships to chance, or are you not sure how to convert them into a BRP, a best possible relationship? If so, then this book from MBS is for you. It provides a proven framework for giving new relationships the best possible start. It provides great insights for maintaining good relationships, and it shows how to repair them if needed. It's a short book with a lot of practical tools and exercises for self-reflection. I especially like the Read Me exercise. The idea is that you complete a document that shows your ways of working. It's like a user manual for yourself. And once completed, you send it out to your work relationships. This may require a bit of self-reflection and some courage, but it's definitely worth it and will provide transparency about your work style quickly and will lead to a jump start in any new relationships. This book is a great read. Pick it up this weekend. You will not regret it. Bye for now. Hope to see you next time.